Okay, I'm going to show you how to set up billing in Google Ads. Just follow me, okay? Now, um, for us to do that, let's log into Google Ads. Okay, so let me show you how I got here. You on your browser, you just go to type ads.google.com. Can you see? Ads.google.com, and then you launch. Once you launch it, you'll be requested or required to sign in or start now, whichever one. So let's just sign in. Okay, now this is a fresh Google account. This account does not have any Google Ads account. This Gmail account doesn't have any ads account. So what we will do is to set up a new Google account. You just say new Google account. You click on that, and then we allow the interface to load. Now, once we are here, okay, once we are here, please don't do any of this. Just come over here and click switch to expert mode. Once you click switch to expert mode, you see this interface that is coming up. So this interface that is coming up is very important. So okay, let me hide this. So this interface is important. Okay, you don't. Now we are going to pretend that we are creating a campaign. Before, it used to be that you can create an ad account without setting up a campaign, but I think the Google Ads interface has changed. So this is what we have now. So what you just need to do is to select a campaign here. Let's say we are doing a website traffic. Click on website traffic. Now there are three different types of campaign that a new Google Ads account can create: search ad, display ad, and discovery ad. Now we can't create any of this. This performance, shopping, or video. So this is a YouTube ad. But because this ad account is new, so we can't create a video ad. So now, since any of these three, we can create a search campaign, display, or discovery. Okay. Now, display ads can still appear on YouTube. So we just click on display ads, and then you just let it be standard campaign, and then you put your website. Okay, let me just put a website here. I'm coming. Let me just come here. Please just okay. So I just copied and pasted the website here. So once I pasted that in, I can continue. Well, I can name it, since I'm advertising a training. It's a website, it's a traffic ad. So I can just say a website traffic display, and I can say, since we are advertising a co-working space, but in this case now, let's say I'm advertising a di- digital marketing training. So I'll just put it like that, and then I continue. Continue, please. Sorry, continue. What's going on? Okay, I think it's a network. So, okay, now from here, we are targeting Nigeria. Okay, we leave it like that's location. Then language, we leave language as English. Bidding, bidding strategy, just leave everything the way it is. Then you can set up your budget, daily budget, $5, and then There's nothing we are going to do here. Just we continue. I think this. Now, you see, there's one thing about Google Ads. Once you put in your URL, the system will scan your website. It will scan it. Yes, it will scan it and then come up with bring in some keywords that your website contains. Okay, so we put in our business name. That's IK Digital. IK Digital. Okay, so and then we are going to now. So let me quickly do this. Okay, there are a few things we have here. We have images. We can use up to 15 images, but we're not going to use up to 15. Maybe like 8, 7, 8 is okay. So then we have your logo. You can use up to 5 logos if you have them. Then you have video. If you have any video that is up to 30 seconds, you can upload that. Then you have your headlines. So this is where the work is. These headlines, okay? So now we are going to be putting in the headlines one by one. So we have this one, IK Digital Marketing Training. Let me just say training. No, I'm just training. So we have the next one. We can just say, okay, then we just, please let me. Okay, I have filled in all the details. Okay, so I didn't want you to be looking at me where I'm filling things. So, but I've pre-filled. So don't worry, I'm not going to create a campaign. I'm just trying to get us to where we are going to set up our billing. Okay, so once we are done with this, you can just fill in all those descriptions. Okay, you fill in the descriptions one after the other, and then there's nothing else we are going to do here rather than to create campaign. So click on create campaign. We are just getting to where we will set up our billing. Okay, now this is where we will set up our billing. We are here already. We are here now. So we are here now. So we have so now to set up the billing. Now, because of the type of card we are using, we are not using a Naira card. Therefore, we are not going to choose Nigeria. So we change this Nigeria to United States because we are using a dollar card. And that barter card, the billing on the barter card is a US billing address. So you will change to United States. This is it here. Change to United States. Please make sure you select country as United States. And you can leave every other thing the way it is. If you have a promotional code, please add it here. So you can click any of these two and just say yes. Now, account type, choose individual. Account type, choose individual. If you select organization, you'll be asked to put in the organization name and then card number and then the cardholder's name. But because it's an individual, okay, just choose individual, select individual. So once you select individual, then you put in your card number. I'm not going to do that. Put in the card number, put in the expiry date, and then the security code. Then the name on the card, put that one here, and then the zip code on the card. The card has a zip code. So the zip code should be 91 something something. So it should be 91 something. I think it's a 5-digit numbers. Okay. So once you put in that, the zip code, the card holder's name, that's the card holder, the name on the card, put it here. and then you input your card number, and then you can now put in the zip code, and then you submit. Is that okay? So that's how you can set up the billing. Please ensure you select United States, and then leave every other thing the way it is. You don't have a promotional code. So you can just go ahead. So once you make sure you have a balance of up to $50 in the card, it's still your money, okay? So it's still your money. So once you do all of that, then you can now go ahead to submit. So once you submit, and then we will create the campaign tomorrow, okay, or Saturday, so that we don't just it's not as it doesn't look as if we are desperate, okay. So we can set up the campaign on Saturday. So I will take time to write out the ad copy, and then do the creatives today, and then by Saturday we will set up the ad. Okay, thank you.